guys, Handyman Phil here with another TV mount video. We're going to be talking about another Echogear TV mount, EGLT3 large tilting solution. First things first, let's get it up on the wall. Take advantage of the colors of the different bags. One is clear, the other is blue. It's not by accident. This blue one does represent the left bracket. The clear is right. Be sure you take note of all these various slots, right? I mean, not only does this thing give you opportunity to shift the actual arms in the TV when you're on there, but again, you can totally shift the wall plate too to get this exactly where you want it to be. You can shift the TV once it's on the wall plate, right? So you can just slide it one way or the other. It's not gonna fall off. It may not sound the best, but again, there's nothing wrong with it. It's not gonna fall off. It's not gonna do any damage. Get it right where you want it to be. Last thing you want to do is, again, just go ahead and hide these pull cords. Again, these are obviously meant for if you ever need to take the TV off the wall. And the way in which you can go ahead and do that is just simply grab onto it and just simply pull one side or the other. It'll essentially just make the loop bigger. And you can just kind of keep going up. One of the things you can probably do to make life easy, tilt the TV up a little bit and just keep going. Try to get it as high as you can. Some of the things that you can think about doing is hanging it on something that's behind the TV if possible. No problem.